One of the easiest ways to upgrade the front end of your Spyder RT is with lighting that actually gets you noticed. And today, we're showing you a mod that does exactly that. This is the front spoiler LED running light by TricLED, designed for all 2020 and newer Spyder RT models. This running light mounts to the front of the Spyder as a bold accent light, giving your RT an aggressive, unmistakable look while improving your visibility to oncoming traffic. It's encased in smoked black tubing for a stealthy look when the light is off. When you turn on the ignition, it operates as a bright white daytime running light that really stands out in traffic. Installation is plug and play, but before you begin, you'll need one of our accessory power harness kits installed. Once that harness is in place, you'll have a conveniently located power connector beneath the A-arms on both sides of the bike, making it simple to plug in lighting accessories like this one without cutting or tapping wires. Now let's get started with the install on our 2024 Spyder RT.
Before you begin, make sure your Spyder is parked on level ground with the ignition turned off and the parking brake engaged. Start by test fitting the LED strip on the lip of the front spoiler to see how it will align. Then, use some masking tape above and below the area where it will be adhered. Clean the surface area with an alcohol prep pad. Once the surface has dried, go over the same area with the included adhesion promoter. Then, you can remove the masking tape from the bottom of the panel. With the connector positioned on the left-hand side, peel back a small section of the protective backing film on the LED strip and line it up on the spoiler like so, pressing it down firmly into place. Continue peeling back small sections of backing film as you go, applying pressure along the LED strip as you work. Once fully adhered, you can remove the rest of the masking tape. Add some dielectric grease to the connector. Grab the included extension, connect it to the LED strip, and route it inward, tucking the wiring in like so. Next, add a small amount of dielectric grease to the previously installed connector on the accessory power harness located underneath the A-arms. Then grab this Y harness from the power harness kit and plug it in like so. Add a small amount of dielectric grease to the 2-pin connector coming off the Y harness and plug it into the extension coming from your LED strip. Now you can turn on your ignition to test the running light. If everything is functioning properly, secure the wiring with zip ties and route it safely away from any moving parts.
Once installed, the difference is hard to miss. You get a sharper, more aggressive front end and better visibility to oncoming motorists. If you're ready to upgrade your Spyder RT with the front spoiler LED running light, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged into everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road.